Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes. So I'll go ahead and pause the recording software and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I have an order at 145 here for a call option. I'm struggling with my mic. I knocked it over. All right, give me a second. All right, I am back, and I don't even know if the microphone caught that in terms of the noises it was making, but I am now going for a put here at 155. So I am trying to buy at 155. I'm watching that number right there. I want to see it drop to 155 and then see this white line turn green. If that turns to green, that means I have been able to buy. So white means I'm trying to buy, green means I have been able to buy. And I am doing options right now. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide and I will link you to a free class I put together that'll walk you through terminologies, how they all work, and give you a good solid foundation. I know sometimes people hear options and run the other way. They think they're very complicated and they can be made very advanced, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a straightforward, simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things, and I'm confident that guide can help you out. So like I said, if you want to learn more, just comment below option guide and I will link you to it. All right, I will pause the software and somebody asked, what software are you talking about? My screen recording software. So when I say I'm going to pause, I just mean my screen recording software. So I'm going to pause and if it looks like it's closer, I'll get the video rolling. All right, have an order at 170 here. That's probably a little too aggressive. Let's go to 167 for a put. And now the price is dropping, so never mind on that one. I will pause. All right, gonna go for a call here at 145. Did not fill me. Let's go to 130 now at this point. Let's see how this candle finishes, and then I'll make a decision. Maybe this downwards move is down and a little bounce is coming, but like I said, I want to see how this candle first finishes. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 135, did not fill me there. So I'm going to go to 125 now instead. I may still try 135. Yeah, I'm going to try 135 now. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep an eye on, close eye on it. Have an order at 133. Maybe it really is that 135 mark. Let's see if I can get filled at 132. In at 132. See what it wants to do here. Well, down 1,200 on that one. Not a very good start. Tried to let it bounce. Did not bounce. Had to hop out. All right, I will pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 180. Got that at 180. See what it wants to do here. And out there for nice scalp on that one. Well, whoops. Granted, I'm speaking in hindsight right now. I could have been right back into the green. Well, that's why I'm rich in my hindsight account. All right, now down 200. Let's pause and let's see what else I can find. All right, gonna go for a put here at 175. Not filling me. So we'll try something a little different then. Maybe 170. Just thinking, watching. Maybe I do try 175. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for, well, I was gonna go for one at 185, but it already changed that fast. So, never mind on that one. Okay, I'm at 185 here. Nope, hesitated too long. I wanted that fill to be a little quicker. I'm glad I canceled that out. I don't know, should I be at 180 is the question. I do like that blue line up there. Let's go with 160 here. More so 155. No, 160. I think 160 would work. See if we can get another chance at it. In there at 160. Again, in at 160. So I just had to take $100 on that one. Loss control mode, which as you see there, loss control mode doesn't always mean a loss. In that situation, wanted 500, but had to just settle for the $100. As that entry point was clearly not as good as what I thought it was, but maybe I can try again here. So let's try 180 here. And we'll see if this can help give me a little bit better of an entry point. Still like puts, but that entry point was clearly not as good as what I thought. So lost control mode, and then walking away with a $100 win. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 148. In at 148 for a put. And in at 148. and had to take $100 on that one. Boy, this is frustrating. I mean, I'm basically 1 of 4. Right, yeah, I made 4 trades. First one, clearly I was wrong on that one. The second one worked out fantastic. And then those last 2, I just, yeah, lost control mode. Still walked away with $100 in each, but, well, let's see. About to fill at 170 here. So let's try 170. For a put. I will pause. All right, gonna try 167 here. In there at 167 for a put. And out for 300 on that one. So that one worked out better. I decided not to go for 500 on that one because maybe that's the issue. Is this one of these markets where you're going for 500 as a little too much? Maybe, but at the same time, I mean, I made 1,000 on that one. But okay, so I am back in the green now, up 300. Only 40 minutes in, and this thing just, oh, let me move this up here. Okay, I would be interested at that blue line right there. So 180. There we go, 180. We'll see if it can work its way up beyond that a little bit. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 180 here for a put. Maybe 178 would be the more. Oh, and down it goes. All right, never mind on that one. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and call it good. Just for math's sake, it's 10:47, but let's just say it's 11 a.m. So that's 90 minutes, up $300 after having been punched in the face with that $1,200 loss. And then as you saw, a couple of those other trades still really didn't work out. So all things considered, even if it had been a good day, I mean, you just stop and think about it. We're not many places in the world where you can put $300 into your pocket in 90 minutes. I would never go up to somebody that's making, let's even call it, $50 an hour. I would never go up to somebody making $50 an hour and say, I made $300 in 90 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. Like, that would make me just come across totally detached. But then when you factor in the whole, this is $300 in 90 minutes after having been punched in the face, $1,200 after having other trades that really didn't work out. I'm very, very grateful, very, very happy with it. So yes, not the best of mornings. I try to get up over 500, but I just don't think I have in all of these. It's just like, I don't know, that was close again in a bad sense. So I'm just going to go ahead and take what I have, start afresh tomorrow. And, maybe I'll be a little bit more in tune with the market because yeah, I'm green, but I don't know if I were to sit here and say I've been in tune with the market, I'm not quite sure how accurate of a statement that is, but I will take it. So from being down 1,200 to up 300, hopefully you see just the power of risk management. Cut the losses, don't get fancy, just take it. And, every time you're not going to get back to the green. But when you just keep the loss manageable, you do give yourself a fighting chance. And in this situation, we're still, like I said, able to put $300 in my pocket in 90 minutes. So thanks for watching. Again, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide and I will link you to that free class and just manage that risk. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when new live trade videos like this are sent out. And that way you can keep in the loop of everything. But thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total.
I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.